Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Telegram wallet. So basically you must have your Telegram account first in order for you to continue. Go to the search bar and then search for wallet here. Now you will see different or lots of results, but you have to click this one with the wallet figure or wallet symbol right here. So scroll down and click this one. Tap the start button below. Once you tap this, and then what you're going to do is you can now open your Telegram. So a small box will pop up and this is your Telegram wallet. But for now, let's just tap this X right here because I'm going to show you other features and options. So basically, this is what it looks like. Now here inside the text box, when you type slash, you will see two options right here, menu and wallet. So if you tap this menu right here, it will show you the features under the menu section. So we have here my wallet, P2P market, support and settings. So let's jump in with my wallet right here. Let's start with this one. When you tap my wallet, you will see features and options such as deposit, withdraw, buy crypto, exchange, and you will see also the available balance here. So you could also go back if you want, but for this time, let's focus here on the first option, which is deposit. So a small warning will pop up. You're about to use a mini app operated by independent party not affiliated with Telegram. So click this one if you agree with the terms, tap OK, and then you will see the small mini app right here. And this is your Telegram wallet. So you can see here easy to buy, send to a friend, convenient to use. Tap let's go. And this is what it looks like. This is your Telegram wallet. You can see send, add crypto, exchange, and P2P market, and there are tons of features below here. So this is your Telegram wallet, and in order for you to deposit, you can tap this add crypto. How do you want to add crypto? You can buy crypto using your local bank account, P2P market, and external wallet. So if you tap this buy crypto right here, you have to choose your asset to buy dollars, Toncoin, USDT, and so on, or dogs. Now, if you tap or if you have selected one, then you have to choose a payment currency. There are tons of payment currency below here. Just feel free to choose wherever you are, your location, or whatever you want to use right here. So actually, there is this verification requirement. Check your eligibility. Providing false information may result in restricted account functions. So you must be 18 years old to meet the legal requirements. Your current residence must not be in the USA. You must not have other wallet account. So if you have all of this, if you agree with this, I confirm that I meet the wallet verification requirements. Tap confirm and continue. And then you need to share your Telegram phone number if you want to get the basic verification level. However, I'm going to explain the other levels later. So add name, last name, and date of birth. Once done, you can now proceed with the currency that you want. So it says your purchase will proceed with a trusted wallet partner. Okay, so you are redirected here and you need to enter the amount that you want to spend. You will see here what you get in USDT and then choose your payment method, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Google Play, Pay ID. Everything is up to you. So once you've added your payment method here, proceed. Make sure that you have available funds, of course. Then, as you can see, you will get that USDT because you have paid through this specific payment method right here. So that's how you basically buy crypto here. So payment methods depends on the assets. So you just have to follow the instruction here. Next, we have here P2P market and we have external wallet. With external wallet, you can again choose asset to receive dollars, ton coin, Bitcoin, not coin, dogs. So let's just say, let's tap this Bitcoin right here. Now choose your wallet and reopen it. And there is information here, send only Bitcoin to this address, sending other assets such as Jadons or NFTs will result permanent loss. So again, choose the asset, choose the network. So you can choose between TRC20 or time. Then you will be notified with this. Dollars in wallet is USDT, so sent to Telegram contacts instantly and without fees or used for payment everywhere USDT is accepted. So copy this address in order for you to receive from specific networks only, okay? So you will be notified with that. So basically, that's how you receive from other wallets. To make it short, to make a deposit from other platform or another platform, copy the wallet address there. When you select send, cryptocurrency will be sent to your wallet. Now let's go to slash wallet right here. So this is the menu. Let's proceed with wallet. So to do that, you just have to type slash wallet, click, and then it will show you features under wallet. So you will see here, my wallet, P2P market, support, and settings. So let's start with settings. If you want to change some of your settings here, such as your notifications, turn on time space, passcode, identification level, currency, language, and so on, you just have to go to settings and then change that. To see more of their agreement, you can tap user agreement. If you encounter some problems, just tap support right here and you can ask anything regarding with your wallet or related to your wallet and other things here. So for P2P market, if you tap this one, if you know already how to use this, then basically you just have to click this, read the following here, and then tap this get started. So you can buy and sell and buy your cryptocurrencies, and then you will see here some results that may help you if you really want to buy or if you want to sell cryptocurrency. So done with wallet, let's go back to menu. Let's go to withdraw right here. If you have your available balance here in your Telegram wallet, you can tap this withdraw and you can choose how to send crypto. So your Telegram or external wallet right here. But basically, I don't have the fund yet. If you want to add a fund or if you want to add crypto, you can choose asset to buy if you want dollars, Toncoin, Bitcoin, Notcoin, and dogs. Feel free to choose, select your asset, for example, Ton, and then you can now select your payment method in order for you to add funds to your or add crypto to your wallet. So for example, if you want to choose dollars right here as your network, you can choose USDT network TRC20 or TON. Basically, you just have to tap the twine and then copy this address right here and then paste it to that specific network that you want and then receive that crypto or funds that you need in order for you to proceed transactions here in your Telegram account. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to exchange, it's also available in Telegram. But make sure again that you have enough funds. For example, if you want to exchange dollars USDT to any of the network, it's possible with the help of your Telegram account or Telegram wallet. Okay, and then lastly, we have here for P2P market. It can be found right in Messenger and it lets you send cryptocurrency to another user as well as buy, sell, and swap it right here. You may purchase Ton coin in addition to BTC and USDT. You can trade peer-to-peer directly from the application. So this is what you call P2P trading. So this is just a basic information on how to use Telegram wallet. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next videos.